Hello there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change language in Elevenlabs. It's very easy thing to do. What you have to do, first go to elevenlabs.io, then log into your account. Then after logging in to change language, go to text to speech. Now write a text. Now if you want to change language, what you have to do here, you will see you can change voice. We don't need that. We have to change language, so we will go to model. Now here you will see the languages here: English, Japanese, Chinese, and 26. It's in 11 multilingual version 2. In 11 plus version 2.5 you can 29 plus more. So what you have to do, if you select it, you have to buy it from them 50% cheaper, and it's and that's it. That's how you can select language from here, and that's how you can select change language on Elevenlabs.